everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a really lovely day. Today's video is a nice fun one. I got the boys' advent calendar sorted just in time. I've normally done it earlier by now. I'm just running behind a little bit. Well, it's still on time, but I've normally got them done by now. And I also share in this video some hamper ideas that I wanted to put together. So a Grinch hamper, which I'm really pleased with how it's turned out, and then like a hot chocolate 1st of December sort of box that I've put together as well. So I thought they were nice ideas if you're looking for just inexpensive things to put together for the kids. Everything pretty much was from Home Bargains, Temu or B&M, mainly Home Bargains though. I have had loads from there this year. And yeah, it's just a very festive video of me getting things done and organised for the boys. I have got, you can probably see in the background, just loads of decorations still to put up around the house. They're on my kitchen, all my kitchen ones. So I've got to get that done, and that will be in a video as well where I'm just going to do like a big montage of all my decorating. But yeah, I'm getting there. I just feel like I have loads of festive and Christmassy things and ideas that I want to film and do, but I run out of time. But yeah, today's video is going to be advent calendars and some hamper ideas, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I've just laid a load of the things out that I want to put in their advent calendars. There's a real mix of stuff that I've just been gathering really. I don't know exactly if I've got enough or anything yet, but this will be divided out obviously between the three of them. I've got some really random things. I've obviously got like sweets and stuff that'll go in, like little jelly dinosaur things or whatever that is, from Home Bargains. Certain things that Tobes will have because he doesn't like chocolate. I love these. I love that these have got like little chocolate notes. Little pots of slime. That one was from B&M. Obviously some days are going to be a bigger thing than other days. I got a lot of stuff from like Temu as well, like a multi-pack of socks which I've just opened, and then I'm going to put like, you know, they're like cool socks that can go in one day. And I've got like little fidget toys as well. I got a load of these key rings which I thought were cute. They've got all different, it came as a pack from Temu. A pack of like loads of different gaming controllers which was really inexpensive. So I'll put one of them in a day, maybe with a sweet or something. Yo-yo each. I got Toby a new phone case. I got some of these pencil sharpeners. It's also a nose because that's just something they'll like. Archie's got a, it's easier for Archie because he's younger. I find it easier to find little things that he would like little Play-Doh pots. This was like 99p from Home Bargains. A little puzzle thing that was really inexpensive. It was about 49p or something. And yeah, I've got like hot chocolate bombs. Oh, these are funny. I don't know why I got these, but I just think Dylan, because Dill's a bit of a joker, I just think he'll like these. They're from Temu and they're like chicken leg socks. So when he's got them on, he'll just look like he's got little skinny chicken legs, which I'm sure he will appreciate. Just a little novelty thing. But yeah, lots of just like a little bath bomb from Home Bargains there for Dylan. Just little bits really. A whoopee cushion from Poundland, some Pringles and all of that stuff. So I'm going to fill up their advent calendars. I've also got the Grinch hamper to make. I've got them all Grinch pyjamas, matching pyjamas. I didn't get myself any though this year. I thought I'll just get the kids, maybe I'll change my mind, but I just got the kids all of these matching Grinch pyjamas from Home Bargains, and then they've all got a pack of these socks as well, which I might split up and put in the advent calendar, or I'll put in the little Grinch hamper. But oh, these are cute as well, these little Grinch chocolates, little hot chocolate disc there, little chocolate snowmen, loads of little random bits. Oh, this looks good as well. This is a little game from, again from Temu, this Spot It game. It's a bit like Dobble, I think. So I'll put that in one of the days. I'll probably put it in Archie's, but it'll be for all of them to have a game of if they want. But yeah, just lots of inexpensive bits to fill up their advent calendar. So I'll get doing that now, and then hopefully I won't have too many pockets left to fill at the end. Also, just to keep it a little bit of a surprise, but to save me time, because last year I just wrapped everything in wrapping paper and it took me ages. I'm going to just wrap things in a little bit of tissue paper so they can't see things because they'll end up peeking. And yeah, it's just going to be so much quicker if I just do it in a bit of tissue paper of things that I don't want them to be able to tell what it is, which was just from Home Bargains.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is...
So I'm going to make my Grinch hamper now. This I got from Home Bargains. It was £4, so that's going to be the hamper, obviously. That's going to house all of this gorgeous green Grinchy stuff, if it'll fit. Anyway, I've got pyjamas for the boys, which are all from Home Bargains. So much of this was from Home Bargains, actually. And I just love that it all matches. We've got this Grinch Cocoa Popcorn, Home Bargains, a little Grinch popper pen from Home Bargains, some candy floss. I also got one of these cups, which has got like, I think it's got a little scrunchy thing in it and some bubble bath. And then obviously it's a nice cup to use afterwards. Also I have a Grinch chocolate bomb. It's peppermint flavoured as well, so that'll be good for having a hot chocolate night. Also some Grinch bath bombs, which I think were from B&M actually. And then I got some just like green bits, just because they go, if they'll fit in there anyway. Some green sour cream and chilli Pringles, and then some sour Skittles. I've also got some of these. I've got more of these. I'm going to use them in some other decorations, but I got these off Temu, and you just get like a load of these card Grinch signs. So what I think I'm going to do is like stick them onto the front and maybe put them on some like sticks and have it taller. And I just think it'll just make it really obvious that it's a Grinch hamper. But yeah, they were really inexpensive and you get loads of them. It's just these cardboard signs that are double-sided. So yeah, I'm going to incorporate them somewhere as well. Oh, and also some socks that I got from Primark. They can go in the hamper as well. It's all very Grinchy.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're all built in right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah, yeah. for free. Yeah. And it won't take long. Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly.
I love this as well, which is from Home Bargains. I've just put some like squash paper in it just to make it a little bit higher. I think it was about £5, but how nice for like 1st of December boxes to put all your nice things in. So I got a few things that I was going to put in mine. I got some of these from Home Bargains as well. These candy cane spoons. Also some of these, which my boys absolutely love. These red nose mallows. I might put them in a nice jar actually. Then we've got a Christmas mug. How cute is this as well from Home Bargains? Like, it just looks so nice, and it was really inexpensive, just a couple of pounds. You get a gingerbread fragranced bath fizzer in it, but it was just the box. I just thought that is beautiful. Like, you could just keep that out as a little decoration. These gorgeous little elf cookies as well, which were from B&M. I'm going to put in the hot chocolate tin as well, which I just love the look of. And then this that I got for Archie, which is just to decorate your own Santa mailbox. So I thought I would put all that in there. But yeah, how good are these boxes? Just for displaying nice things in or giving us like little hampers. I just think they're so lovely. You can use it every year as well. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that.
From a friend of mine who saw you just the other day. Oh, I guess that you were back in town. It's been a long time since you've been around. Remember when we used to make the streets unsafe together, baby? We were young and foolish then.
There you go, guys. I was so impressed with how the hampers turned out. I hope that you liked them as well. I just always struggle to have anywhere to store these sorts of things. Like, I don't know where to put anything once I've done these things. My wardrobe is just like you can barely get the door open or closed. But yeah, I'm really pleased with them. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video as well. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not already, to make sure that you see all of the other festive videos that are coming up. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up as well. Take care, everyone. Bye.